Same areas of the woods. 10 minutes to start. We roll down the starting line. Big Daddy shaking it out.
It's a small world, so we met up with Dieter.
All right.
With this bag.
Hey, IndyMobileBike rocks.
Right.
All right, ready to roll.
Yep. All right.
Rolling down start line. There's about 1,000 people in front of me right now. Got here a little late. And away we go. Hugs and kisses.
All right, be careful.
Rolling through downtown Terre Haute. Yeah. First 15, 16 miles. Looking a little cloudy. Got a headwind. Doing okay. Rolling into the Putnamville rest stop. 39, 40 miles. Whew. Right now, right around 18 and a half. Av, little after 9 a.m. Yo!
I have Buckeyes coming in. Aaron? Yeah. What's up? Your Bill's buddy?
Say hi, you're on YouTube. 52 miles, overcast. I am all alone out here. Nobody behind me. Nobody in front of me. Roll along, Falcons.
It's the double G. He's doing the honeybee.
Got that guy right to the shot, man.
How's your day, man?
Hey, it's been good. It's exciting.
Keeping them honeybees together?
Keep them together. They're rolling.
It's the Plainfield Sag. So, how's your day going?
Good. I hooked up with, I was like out there at mile 52. No, I couldn't see anybody in front of me. I was out all alone.
Solo?
Solo. And then these guys come rolling along, freaking freight train. Like 8 of them.
You got on?
Like 24 miles an hour. I just locked onto I just hung onto the back of the last guy. We cooked.
Into Plainfield.
So
It's always fast rolling into Plainfield on the downhill.
that's it. That's it. So there you
Good
go.
deal.
Looking good. Feeling
Plainfield, metric century
good.
in.
Century.
I remember you from last year. Yep, I was riding with you. I was riding with you last year. I'm doing an interview too. Yeah, you're a doctor from like Springfield or Dayton area?
Ohio, yeah.
Yeah.
Same area.
I rode with you from Putnamville to here last year.
You had...
Cannondale with zip wheels.
Yep.
Yep,
I
yep.
remember that.
I remember your name and I was like...
Rolling out of Plainfield. 10:30-ish. Still looks like rain. Storm a-coming. Feeling good. IndyMobileBike, we're here at Plainfield.
Plainfield.
91 miles,
90,
something
yep.
miles, quarter after 12.
Yep, big time saves today.
There you
2
go.
wheels, a pack delivered IndyMobileBike style to his old lady here. It was about 35 pounds. No way the kid makes it to Indy.
Absolutely. We got awesome volunteers. All right.
114.
114. Sounds good. I'm going to follow you then. 100 pretty good. Time's looking good. Hope it doesn't rain any harder than this. Found another freight train to hook up to. Okay, we're at 112 miles. Lost contact with my group. They were cranking it. They were going 23, 24. Just couldn't hang on. So here I'm kind of out alone again. They're way up there. About 10 miles the next stop. Need to stretch the calves out a little bit. Other than that, feeling good. Last rest stop. Famous popsicle stop. Woohoo! It's like mile 137-ish. Home stretch.
It's the Gatorade, man. There's like a special way to do this stuff over here in Indiana. Gotta have like special tools, special mix. This is the famous popsicle stand. Dunreef, baby. One way, one day.
So we're only 2 hours off. We're gonna make that up in 41 miles.
Well, I'm in riding that Valentine next week.
Woohoo!
Right on, dude.
Results, get it done. Man, my little brother has made me proud. I think I'm gonna have to get my ass in shape and beat this time next year, I guess. I think he's gonna finish in less than 10 hours, which is what's up? Which is an hour ahead of last year, man. So solo effort, huge.
10 miles to go. Yeah. We're having fun, right? Got it.
All right, man. This is the end. He's making the big push here up into man, I'm not sure what this town is, but holding on strong.
A little cramp.
You want a pill?
Cramping a little bit, but other than that, doing good. Finish line. Half a mile, top of the hill. Woohoo! Rolling into Earlham College. Never rained in the rain. All right, another rain in the books. Special shout out to IndyMobileBike, keeping us in the game, hydrated, food, and mechanical running just perfect. Cannondale rolled great. Results Fitness, Mayfield, Ohio, way to go. And the Bicycle Hub in Menor, thank you all for your help. Roll on.